2 at a time. Yo! Pan, don't they call Pan and Dragon Ball Pan? Yo, hold on. Don't tell me I just pulled the best card in the set. But am I gonna get that? Oh! Yo! What? I pulled 2 of the chase cards of this entire set. Make it make sense, please. Today, we're gonna go hunting for gold. If you guys already know, this is Crown Zenith, and it's the last Sword and Shield set. And if I don't open it, I feel like I'm gonna miss out. From this set, you can pull Galarian Gallery, Altars, gold cards, you name it. But before we even get to that, we have a bunch of packs to open. And the cool thing about these packs is I'm gonna give away every single hit to one of you guys. To enter, it's super simple. Number 1, subscribe with notifications on. Number 2, like the video. And number 3, leave a comment down below what's your favorite part out of this entire video. By following those steps, guys, you're gonna be entered to win every single hit from these packs. All right, well, let's just get straight into it. I'm beyond excited for Crown Zenith. I think it's one of the most strong sets that Pokemon Company has ever released, in my opinion. You get a pull like every other pack. Like, I don't think I've seen a video of somebody going like 3 packs without a hit. At least something, you know, a Galarian Gallery, or I don't know, like an alternate artwork that's part of the Galarian Gallery. This set is insane, and I'm so glad they tried their hardest to make this set. Oh, Togekiss VMAX, first pull of the day. I think if they fumbled the bag with Crown Zenith, I don't know if the community would have really had Pokemon's back at this point, because I feel like everyone's kind of getting tired of the same old formula of just rainbows and just like miscellaneous like weird item gold cards. I think they really have to remove the rainbows, or at least making them like 3 a set, because I feel like there's way too many now. You get just really weird like trainers that nobody really wants, and most of the time like the normal cards of those trainers look 10 times better than the rainbow version. I don't know what people's obsession with rainbow is, but I guess with some cards it looks good. But I do have extremely big expectations for Scarlet and Violet. That set, or I mean that era in general, if that era isn't big, guys, I think we're gonna have the second downfall of Pokemon. Like, I don't know. I feel like the hype for Pokemon is not the same as it was in 2020. Of course it's not, but I just really think they're in a position right now where they have to keep the ball rolling, have to do everything they can in their power to make sure Pokemon doesn't fall off. Because I don't know if you guys noticed, in the weird social media space that we're in, people move on from things really fast. If you're not uploading daily, or I guess in a company's like Pokemon, if you're not making consistently good products and you're not consistently bringing out like the best of the best artworks, the best of the best pull rates, I feel like people are just not gonna like the set. Okay, that I like that card. Like, if you really want to think about it, I feel like Pokemon started off Sword and Shield with a really bad way. Like, for example, if you guys like look back at the early Sword and Shield eras, like for example, like Vivid Voltage, like what we just opened, it's like you're really only looking for one card, and if you don't pull that card, you're probably not gonna have a good time opening Vivid Voltage. Phanpy, Indeedee, Kirlia reverse, and a Superior V. Not bad. Like, for example, how mad would you guys be if they released another set like Champions Path or something, or like Rebels Clash, or like, I don't know, those sets that nobody ever remembers? Like, how would you guys feel if they made a set where the only chase pull is like 2 cards that are extremely rare? Like, I don't know, man. I feel like the sets just have to keep getting better and better. Fennekin, Murkrow, Zubat, and I don't want you. All right, well, we're kind of struggling on hits. We've only pulled 2, so I think we're gonna have to step it up for you guys, because at the end of the day, all of these packs are going to one of you people. Whoa! Or y'all see how worn the top of that card is? What? I mean, I guess at least it wasn't the rare. Venomoth, Wallace, Jinx, Feebas, Fennekin, Spinarak, Beldum, Krogunk, Lopunny, and Virizion. I mean, a set like Silver Tempest, it should have really good pull rates, but I feel like either we're getting extremely unlucky, or I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on. Silver Tempest, usually every time I see anyone open it, they get some good stuff, but not us. No bueno. Dedenne, Braixen, Morpeko, Vulpix, Drowsy, Growlithe, Misdreavus, Wailmer, Sandile, and just like nothing. What? Dude, I don't know. Like, my luck has got to turn around with Crown Zenith or something. Like, if I open Crown Zenith and I don't get like a really cool like alternate artwork or like, I don't know, like I'm low-key, what am I looking for in Crown Zenith? What have you guys pulled? Tell me about it, because I'm kind of late. I'm kind of late on the whole Crown Zenith wave, because it's been a really busy couple weeks for me. Whalmer and non-hollow. But if you didn't know, it was my birthday on the 23rd, which you should know because you should be following my Instagram right here. Follow me there for like any behind the scenes and like life update stuff if you're interested in that. But yeah, finally turned 21, but no time for talking about myself. We have Cosmic Eclipse, which I'm hoping you guys at least get one Tag Team GX or something out of 3 packs. There's no way you guys don't get something. There's the code card. Come on. What is it? 3, 4 from the back. I think it's 4 from the back. Sun and Moon. I think it's XY. Oh, yep. Energy. Rapidash. Draw Energy. Unidentified Fossil. Spheal. Sandygast. Ralts. Oddish. Rufflet. Reverse Togedemaru. And Groudon. Alright. 2 Cosmic packs left. 2 of the baby artworks. Guys, if I don't pull anything, I'm just gonna give you guys an extra Cosmic pack unopened so you guys can experience opening Cosmic yourself as well. And maybe you'll pull something yourself, because these pull rates, man, I don't know what's going on. Like, you know, the last video with the Evolving Skies box I opened, Sylveon, like, it's cool. Could have been at least a holo. With the Evolving Skies box, I opened the rest of the packs and the EV Heroes just to see like what I can get out of the entire box. So like there's no way I open an entire booster box and have like no secret rares, no full arts or anything. All I got was VMAXs and Vs, bro. Lily's Pokédoll, Heracross, Pangoro, Cosmog, Chinchou, Slugma, Stuffle, and a non-holo Sandslash. I'm just gonna give away those hits and like an extra couple packs. I'm sorry, guys. But we're gonna open Crown Zenith, so I'm kind of excited. All right, Crown Zenith, I'm sure I'm not gonna do like the whole introductory because I'm sure you guys have all seen Crown Zenith at this point, but I'm just curious, what can I pull? Boom, there we go. We have all the Crown Zenith packs. Here's the code card. Here's Lucario. I'm actually gonna give this away too, because why not? Okay, first pack of Crown Zenith ever. Whoa, the pack opened really weird. Why do they keep changing like the weird material they use for the packs or the glue or the way they crimp it? Because that one felt really weird. I don't think I've ever felt like a pack open like that. And Polga, Yanma. I'm grabbing 2 at a time. Whoa! Whoa! Hold on. Is that considered an alternate artwork? Because I'm not really sure. It looks like one. You guys can obviously tell that's from the Galarian Gallery, but it's still an alternate artwork. That's actually really nice. I love when they do claymation stuff. It's one of my favorite types of like artwork they do. All right, moving straight into the second pack. I don't want to make this video too long with just like packs that you guys have already seen, but if you guys do enjoy the content, guys, like the video, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Tell me how your day was. I want to interact with you guys. I don't know if you guys noticed, I usually reply to every single comment that's left on my video in like the first day. So you guys have anything interesting to say, any like comments, any tips for the videos, I'm literally always gonna be listening. So it's like any tips, any nice comments, anything will help. But we have a Crown Zenith pack to open, following up the alt art. Panchan? Isn't Pan, don't they call Pan and Dragon Ball Panchan? Yo, hold on. Don't tell me I just pulled the best card in the set. What? What is going on, guys? First pack, we get a Dragapult, and the second pack, we get a Giratina V-Star? All right, I'm gonna sleeve this because I'm shaking. That is the most unreal looking artwork I've ever seen on a Pokemon card. But for the meantime, we got more Crown Zenith to open and follow up that pack with some crazy goods. I'm just gonna go straight through this one and get a V Greedent. How can I complain when I just pretty much got 2 alternate artworks in a row? Like, you literally can't complain with this set because it just gives you so much. I'm just gonna do the trick because with these packs, you kind of have to do the trick. All right, V-Star, Frenzen, Hisui. Bro, I actually love that card. That's a sick card. Don't they have a full art version of that? If they do, I'd love to pull it. Ooh, what's that? That's just a reverse energy? I've seen the other versions of these where it's like kind of textured, but I don't think this one's one of those. All right, we got a couple of packs left. Still room for a big hit, but I genuinely don't know what they could give me. I guess another gold card, another Galarian Gallery alt art. Like, with this set, man, you just can't predict if you're gonna have good or bad luck, but mostly it's good. Like 90% of the time it's good. Like Cherubi, Starly, Switch, and look, the best card in the set. Now that we have both of the best cards in the game, like Blossom, I'm sorry, but do you have a Blossom? Didn't think so. I didn't think you'd pull a Blossom. What am I doing? Okay, that pack took me a bit too long to open, but I digress because we're about to pull the best Sword and Shield pack ever. We're about to get double Altars. Are you ready? As if double Altar box wasn't enough. Radiant, Eternatus, Shiny, and a nothing. So, Radiant and Eternatus, if you guys don't know, they kind of pretty much abandoned the entire Amazing Rare like line. And these Radiant cards have been kind of replacing them. I mean, I like them. I just really liked Amazing Rares way more. Dude, speaking of Amazing Rares, I need an amazing haircut because my hair has been getting so out of control and I low-key need to shave and I low-key need to just do everything. I've been feeling just so lazy these past couple days because the weather where I'm at in Vegas has been so bad. It's either super cold and gloomy, and it's like you don't even want to leave your house, or it's like sunny, but still. Miltank and a Hoopa Hollow. I mean, Miltank, that's kind of cool. 2 packs of Crown Zenith left. I mean, what can I say about this set? I don't know how much more of this set I'm gonna open, honestly, because I've edited so many rev videos with Crown Zenith. I'm kind of tired of looking at the cards, unless it's the Giratina Altar, or the Palkia, or the Dialga, or the Arceus. I'll take those. Why wouldn't I take those? But am I gonna get that? Oh! Yo! What? Bro, what is that box? Bro, I'm turning red, bro. What is this box? Oh my god. These 3 from 1 box. What am I missing? These are literally the 2 best cards in the entire set. Like, there's nothing better than these. I pulled 2 of the chase cards of this entire set. Make it make sense, please. No one's ever gonna top this Crown Zenith opening. Like, there's no way, right? This last Crown Zenith pack, I'm manifesting a Galarian Gallery. I'm manifesting a Galarian Gallery alt art, and it's upside down. What do you guys think that means? What do you think an upside down card means? It can mean quite literally anything. Maybe it's a misprint. Maybe it's an upside down error card misprint. Hanchan. I'm actually really curious on what that last card is now. But I mean, Galarian Gallery alt art, like, did I not call it? Like, guys. In the streets, they call me the predictor, bro. Like, we're just gonna sleeve this Deoxys up because honestly, defense form Deoxys is low-key underrated. Guys, there you go. That was the best Crown Zenith opening you'll probably ever see, or at least trainer box opening. A singular trainer box, especially the person's first. But if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to enter the giveaway, get yourself some nice hits, and as always, thank you for watching.